And we're in like the worst weather storm ever. It's not as bad as the hurricanes though.
No, it certainly isn't.
No, but it's like the worst rain that I've ever seen. And before we start the video, we went past these houses and there was like so much water which made like a really massive big wave.
And there's probably going to be, look at all this, Chelsea, it's all wet here. Look at my trousers. Wow. Well, it's going to be a lot wetter when we get to beyond Twinaway Cross and into Blagden. Because it always floods there. I don't know if we're going to get through.
There's a car, and it was like drenching, stop the indicators, and then they would see how much rain will come down. Look, it's starting to come down.
Oh, that's not too bad. It wasn't like that before. I had to have it at double speed, didn't I? I had to have it go like that. But I think it's pretty boring for everyone at the moment, you know, so.
Yeah.
Why don't you tell them about your iPad?
I put water on my iPad.
Yeah.
And yeah.
And we cleaned it out. We did it with rice and we did it with leaving it in the... Look, there's a puddle.
Oh. Probably nothing really happening right now, but guys, just wait a sec. There's a big traffic jam. Oh, it's moving now. We might see Luana because Luana lives up here. Okay, so we're going uphill now. Now it's like drenching it down. And look at the sky. Okay, let's zoom into this car.
It's a shame you can't pause it, isn't it, really?
What do you mean? Like,
stop it. If you stop it, it says you
ended the video.
Ended the video. Before the old days you used to be able to press pause. They would pause it like when you're at a traffic light and things go a bit, you know, static. Then when the action started again, you just press play or record even.
So that's basically what's.
But anyway, Auntie Dang had this car, right, and it needed some work doing on it because an old guy backed into it in the car park. He didn't insure it. So what the guy did at Orchard, they put a tent around it. Get this, and had electric fires, and the guy sprayed it there and then. So it just that panel out the front there has been sprayed.
Wait, so why? So why did they put a tent around it?
Well, to stop other things like bits falling on it or rain or anything. Because they're spraying it. When you're spraying stuff, you want to keep dust to the minimum. You don't want any dust to get on it. So you put a tent up. There's no dust. There's no rain. You're protected, and yet there you are doing it in the comfort of your own home.
So we're moving now, and yeah, we're basically moving.
Twinaway Cross.
Yeah, and Daddy's going super duper fast.
I'm a responsible road user.
Oh my god, you can see like
If you apologise to anyone, we're not using the road road, we've got an Audi.
No, this Audi is so pretty, I love it.
Oh.
And Daddy's moving house very soon. And I know when Sophia's getting married. Next year, October. Be there, Daddy.
Hey, guess what happened?
What?
On Facebook.
What?
Francis asked us when we're going up to see her.
I don't know.
I didn't know. I haven't responded yet because I was going to clear it with you. Maybe I just drove her up there on my own, you know.
No, you mean train up there?
No, I'd Rover.
Because we're always in the Rover. And train will be faster. Actually, aeroplane.
Aeroplane? You want an aeroplane up there, yeah?
Yep. How many minutes would it take?
To get to Inverness?
Yeah.
Hour and a half.
Do you know how many minutes it would take to get to Manchester from here?
By what? Plane?
Yeah. 30 minutes.
Joking. Well, I flew a dove the other day to 50. Oh, here, look, it's really starting to rain now. Look, here we go. Up like the road. Will we get cut off? Will we get cut off? Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hopefully not, because this.
Oh, look at this puddle. Oh my OMG. OMG.
Oh god, oh my
It's all
god.
brown as well.
I know. Oh my god.
Oh, I promised you I wouldn't crash.
Right, no. Look, guys. It's like, okay, I'm gonna have to do this right now.
Don't shake it around too much, you'll get people sick.
It's supposed Oh, Daddy, you're not inside, so all that.
Uh-oh, look at all this. Uh-oh. People are stopped. I don't think I'm going to get any further.
Oh.
Oh, no, it's okay. This isn't the bit I'm worried about. It's when you get up the road a bit. No, it's just a car. That's all right.
This is so crazy, guys. So as bad as a hurricane, which is happening in like Cuba and everything.
Oh. This is the one concern.
Why?
Well, because it's flooded here before. Look at all that brown.
I know, it's so cool. Oh my god, that's cool.
Oh, is it taking over the whole road?
Oh, so cool.
Look at that. Are you showing them this?
Yes, I am. Oh, God, yeah, isn't that so cool?
Hey, I know that fan in front.
Who?
That's Steve's.
Oh.
Well, it's okay if we break down. You can give us a road, a hitch.
I would rather walk less.
Would you?
Yeah, because then you would have to, well, you won't really get into the flood, and lots of cars would crash in that.
You like seeing cars crash, do you?
No.
Ever since you would let them. Look at that water coming out. Oh.
Oh my god, wait, why is there water coming out?
Oh, the ground is inundated. It's saturated.
He's already slowing down.
Oh my god, it's always going. Okay, let's follow Steve.
There's so much.
Oh, he's going through, isn't he? Must be in a bit of a rush. Oh, look at that!
Oh my god! That's gonna happen. Woo! This is so cool though. Because, Daddy, you're going really fast.
I'm not as fast as Steve.
Oh, he must be in a really big hurry. Oh my god.
Oh, you can slow down now.
Because there's cars. This car is so wide.
It's not as big as Ronnie.
There it is.
Always comfortable.
a bigger van.
Well, yeah. Showing a nice bit of dashboard there. Oh, football as well.
Actually, I wasn't ready for it. 8 minutes long. We're near Pete's Cottage, which sounds really weird.
Peach Cottage.
Oh no. Imagine how much rain would be up my hill. That was so much. Oh, Hendra's soaking wet. Daisy's house is okay. Oh, what if the houses get all flooded?
Hey, who's that? Oh, Paul's found my umbrella. That means Dang's home.
Yeah. No.
Yes, I am.
See? No, because then we're gonna.
You're wet already.
Okay, bye.